In this video, we're going to learn how to put a navbar in using Bootstrap. I think this is one of the best things about Bootstrap, is just how easy this process is. So looking at my page here, you'll see I just have a hello world and I just have a title up there, but nothing else. So I could go to the Bootstrap site. I find it quite easy to just Google Bootstrap navbar and just let it take me straight to it. So here we have a whole lot of different things that we can do, and I'd recommend that you actually look at lots of them. I think they're really clever. So the one we're looking at though is navbar. And much like when we set it up before with our starter template, I'm just going to go and find this big bit of code here, and I'm going to copy that. Then I go across to my code. Now I could put the navbar anywhere in the body. The body starts here and it ends down there. Now this bit in here is just all script, so I probably wouldn't put it in there. But the most logical place for your navbar is here at the start of the body, so it sits at the top of the page. Now I'm going to put the entire thing in, and then we're going to save and have a look at it. So then we go back to the page, have a quick look, reload of course, and we will see. So we have the navbar title there, which just takes us back, home, a link, a drop down, and a disable. Oh, we also have over here, we have the search. So all of this is good stuff, and the thing that I particularly like is that if we were to shrink our window, let's see if I can do this, at some point it actually turns into this hamburger here, and then it becomes a drop-down menu itself, so that on smaller screens, such as a phone screen or a tablet screen, your navigation still works without you having to do all of the clever coding for it. And if you're on a nice big screen, of course, all of your options come back. And that's one of the real beauties of Bootstrap, is that you can just set it up and let it do the complicated stuff for you. So, if that's enough for you, go off and use it. If you want to hang around though, I'm going to have a closer look at the navbar. So, there we go. So, up here, we've got the title. So let's in fact call this, I'm going to call it, I'm going to call it Omara. Yep. Then I have a look at all of that. That all looks fine to me, even though I don't fully understand it. Home, yep, well I'm going to keep that, and I'm going to change that so that it goes to index.html. And then I'm going to have this link. Well, I'm going to have that link going out to 42 penguins. And so I'll need to put that, and then I'll need to put the address in here. So you can see that I'm able to go through this and adapt it for my purposes so that it does the job that I want it to do. So now when I refresh that, you'll see that it says Omara, home, 42 penguins, and so on and so forth. So I can add items as I need to, I can take them out as I need to. There's pretty much one of everything in there. The search functionality won't actually do anything at the moment. It's just a space for you to put that search. It is actually much more complicated than you can do in just HTML to have a search function. But if you did have one, that's where you'd call it from. So hopefully that's useful to you with the navbar, and I hope you make good use of it.